Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of joining server on Netflix. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we will search about the application of Netflix. Here we go to first stop and we click OK. Then we will enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.